Technical Mechanical here. Today I'll be showing you guys some of my everyday carry items. I like high-tech and functional stuff, but at the same time, I like things that has some characters in them and has a rustic feel. Alright, first off is my car key, and you're probably wondering why the hell would you be showing a car key. But anyway, I'm not really showing the key itself. It's really just this nice cover. It's a leather cover for the Range Rover. Very beautiful, nice, rustic look to it. Alright, next up is my pocket knife. Of course, everyone has to have a pocket knife. This is a Benchmade 940-1. I actually usually don't carry this away from the house because it is so expensive, but I do use it pretty much every day to open the thousands of Amazon boxes. The handle is carbon fiber and is extremely light. If you do some searching, you will realize that this knife and variants of it is one of the highest rated pocket knives in the market today. One of my favorite features of this knife is the blade shape. It still has a sharp point, which makes it easy to open boxes, but it does not look aggressive. The blade steel is S90V, which is one of the best steel you can get on a pocket knife. It has great edge retention along with great corrosion resistance. This, along with the carbon fiber handle, is what makes it so expensive. It is somewhat hard to sharpen though. The locking mechanism is called an access lock, which is invented by Benchmade. It is extremely secured, and you can access it from both sides of the knife. So you can use either right or left hand to close the knife. Next up is my lighter. I like things that has a touch of blue to it. This is a Thunderbird insert that's in a Zippo housing. There's just something that's so addicting about opening Zippos. You kind of get the best of both worlds in this configuration. You got a nice powerful lighter, but then you also has the feel of a Zippo. Obviously it's a genuine housing made right here in the US of A. And of course the fuel will not dry out like the standard Zippo. Alright, next up is my pen that I use to pay all the damn bills. This pen is only about $11, but it's made out of Rosewood. As you can see, it looks beautiful. And here is my flashlight that I use nearly every day around the house and in the yard. It is a ThruNite TC15. It is a rechargeable flashlight that is extremely powerful. It is charged through a micro USB port. As you can see, this thing is not very big, but has a maximum brightness of 2300 lumens. I drop stuff all the time, so I like to have a nice lanyard on it. The camera won't do it justice right now because I have it on auto exposure, but believe me, this thing is super bright. Here's the battery that comes with the flashlight. It is an 18650, a very popular battery for LED flashlights. 3100 milliamp hour. Last but not least is the watch that I am currently wearing every day. It is a Xeric Halograph II. I actually got this by signing up to their Kickstarter, so the pricing was a bit cheaper than the current market price. It is a automatic watch, meaning it's not powered by batteries. It is powered by the movement of your arm. And as you can see, the dial is very unique. The hours and minutes are split into halves, so it would take some time to get used to. I like that it has a nice blue touch, but also very rustic design characteristics. At 46mm, it is a bit big for my small wrist, but I still really like it. The glass is sapphire crystal, and as you know, is one of the best glass material for a watch. Sapphire is only second in hardness to diamond, so it is extremely scratch resistant. As always, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.